Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an eye glowing effect on VideoStar. So this is really simple, so just follow along. Okay, so to begin with, you're already going to want to have your photo or video imported into your clip. Press on New, press Multi-Layer, and then on the first layer, you're going to import your photo. And then on the second layer, you're going to import the same photo. Now on the second layer, we're going to press on Add Mask, and we're going to make sure we're under the Erase tab. Now slide your erase tool all the way up and erase the whole picture. Now slide your tool a little bit down and bring the feather up, and then press on this erase icon and it will change to a pencil icon. And then draw back in the eyes. It doesn't have to be perfect, because we'll go back later and fix it. Okay, so I have this. Now I'm going to press on the pencil icon and it will change back to an eraser. And I'm just going to clean this up. Okay, so once you have that, press on Done. Now take your first picture and press on Clear Layer, and just make sure that your background is set to black. I don't know why I imported the actual picture into the first layer, so you guys don't have to do that stuff, yay! But anyways, press on Color, and then search up ColorGo x5. Okay, so once you see this, press on it, and then drag your slider to wherever you want. The slider just basically controls the speed that the colors change at. So I'm dragging my slider closer to the top, press on Create, and then press Done. Now press New, press Re-Effect, and then press on Edit, and then if you don't have it already started, press on this search icon and look up lens blur. Alright, so once you have this, you're going to drag the slider up to however much you like. I'm going to go to around this point. Now press on this little down arrow, press Quick FX. Now press New again, press Multi-Layer, and then the first layer, import your original photo or video. Now in the second layer, import the glowing eye effect thing that we just made. Now press on Color, press Blend BG, and then press on this little up arrow right here and select this option. And that's it. Press Create, wait for it to load, press Done, and it's just that simple, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!